How to effectively use the paraphrasing tool. What do we understand about the word paraphrasing? Simply said, it's an advanced technique used to reword sentences and paragraphs while keeping the overall meaning intact. Why do we need it? It's pretty common for students to find a perfect sample answer for their essays or assignments. However, text taken from online sources can't be used directly in papers. There are many such instances, wherein a highly suitable piece of write-up is available, but can't be used directly due to copyright issues. What do you do then? Simple. Paraphrase the text and add or edit any details you feel are necessary for your project. This particular skill set is known to be very helpful for students as well as working professionals. How does it work? Check out how a paragraph is reworded to perfection using our paraphrasing tool. Original text. In The Sopranos, the mob is besieged as much by inner infidelity as it is by the federal government. Early in the series, the greatest threat to Tony's family is his own biological family. One of his closest associates turns witness for the FBI, his mother colludes with his uncle to contract a hit on Tony, and his kids click through websites that track the federal crackdown in Tony's gangland. Paraphrased text. In the first season of The Sopranos, Tony Soprano's mobster activities are more threatened by members of his biological family than by agents of the federal government. This familial betrayal is multi-pronged. Tony's closest friend and associate is an FBI informant, his mother and uncle are conspiring to have him killed, and his children are surfing the web for information about his activities. If you notice, just the first sentence of these two paragraphs, you can witness an effective active to passive tone change. You can also notice that few words got replaced by their relatively close synonyms. Forex, besieged, turned into more threatened. Moreover, a long sentence like, his mother colludes with his uncle to contract a hit on Tony, gets reworded as a short sentence that is, his mother and uncle are conspiring. Using such techniques through the state-of-the-art, AI, our paraphrasing tool proficiently helps users rewrite and improve sentences, paragraphs and articles. How do we use this tool? Here's a rundown of the simple steps to use MyAssignmentHelp's paraphrasing tool. First step. Just drag and drop or upload the file you want to paraphrase in the space provided here. Or alternatively, you can as well copy-paste the original text in this space. Second step. Click on the Paraphrase Article button. Third step. Once you click on Paraphrase Article, our tool will prompt you to enter your email address. This is essential as the paraphrased text will be sent directly to your email ID. Now that we know how to efficiently use this paraphrasing tool, let's look at how it creates flawlessly reworded write-ups. To start with, our paraphrasing generator scans your document and accurately identifies the context. It then replaces specific words with their closest synonyms, whilst changing the structure and tone of the paragraph. And then ta-da! Your noteworthy and spotless paraphrased text is generated almost instantly. Not satisfied with the AI-created paraphrased text? Don't break a sweat, we have a premium service specially designed to help you. Simply click on the Get Expert Help button to hire our experienced professionals, who render top-level, customized plagiarism-free paraphrasing.